Most people think they're using their phone the right way. But in 2025, some habits are silently killing performance, battery health, and even privacy. These aren't obvious mistakes. Almost everyone still makes them. So let's fix that. Mistake number 1, buying phones based on specs alone. More RAM, bigger numbers, higher megapixels. These specifications certainly sound impressive, but the truth is that raw specs don't tell the full story anymore when it comes to smartphone performance. You might be surprised to find that a phone with seemingly weaker specifications can often feel faster and more responsive in everyday use, thanks to superior software optimization. Factors like effective thermal management, smart background process control, and a commitment to long-term software updates are far more critical to a great user experience. After all, if your brand new phone throttles down significantly after just 5 minutes of use, those super cool top-of-the-line features you paid for suddenly don't matter much at all, do they? A phone's true value lies in its consistent, long-term performance. Mistake number 2, overcharging without understanding battery tech. While plugging your phone in overnight doesn't pose an immediate hazard, consistently doing so will gradually diminish the overall health of your battery over an extended period. Lithium-ion batteries function optimally when they avoid prolonged states of being fully charged at 100%. The ideal charge range is between 20% and 80%. Although contemporary smartphones incorporate protective charging mechanisms, many users often neglect to activate or utilize these features. Mistake number 3, ignoring software updates. Contrary to popular belief, system updates do not degrade phone performance. In fact, updates are crucial for resolving issues such as memory inefficiencies, security vulnerabilities, and various software glitches that negatively impact overall performance. Neglecting these updates will not preserve your phone's speed. Rather, it significantly increases the risk of cyber attacks. It is a critical security concern as an unupdated device in 2025 presents an exceptionally easy target for malicious actors. It is strongly recommended to keep your software current. Mistake number 4, installing too many cleaner or booster apps. Ditch those RAM booster and battery saver apps. They're mostly a waste of time and sometimes worse. Seriously, these third-party tools usually just run in the background all the time, push ads in your face, and might even be snooping on your data. Modern phones, Android and iOS, already have smart memory management built in that's way better than anything these apps offer. So if an app is screaming about being a RAM booster, consider that a big old warning sign. Mistake number 5, not checking app permissions. It is important to remember that not all applications require access to every feature on your device, yet many users routinely grant such permissions without a second thought. For instance, a simple flashlight application should not need to know your precise location, and a photo editing tool has no legitimate reason to access your microphone. In the current digital landscape of 2025, data has become a valuable form of currency. If you are not diligently reviewing and managing the permissions you grant to your apps, you are essentially paying with your personal data without even realizing the transaction is taking place. Mistake number 6, using cheap chargers and cables. It's important to understand that not all charging accessories offer the same performance or safety. Opting for inexpensive, uncertified cables and chargers can often lead to significantly slower charging times, excessive heat generation, and regrettably, potential long-term damage to your device's battery. To ensure optimal performance, reliable safety, and proper fast charging capabilities, we highly recommend utilizing only certified chargers and cables. While it may seem like a small savings initially, compromising the quality here often results in the necessity of a costly battery replacement down the line. Mistake number 7, never restarting the phone. Your phone is essentially a sophisticated computer, and just like any computer, it thrives on a periodic restart. We recommend restarting your device once a week. This simple habit helps to clear out lingering background processes, resolve minor software glitches, and ultimately enhance your phone's overall speed and responsiveness. It's an easy step that yields surprisingly positive results for your device's performance. Mistake number 8, keeping phones for too long without a battery replacement. People often blame their phones for becoming sluggish and slow, but a very common culprit is simply a worn-out battery. A degraded battery can no longer deliver power efficiently, which triggers the phone's system to engage in performance throttling, leading to excessive heating and noticeable lag. Replacing the battery is an effective and affordable fix that can dramatically revitalize an older phone, making it feel quick and responsive once more. Your phone doesn't need to be the newest or the most expensive, it just needs to be used correctly. Fix even 2 or 3 of these mistakes and your phone will feel faster, last longer, and stay safer. If this helped, subscribe. It's about using better.